The dawn of a new era, SpaceX's 2024 launch. Imagine a world where rural areas enjoy high-speed connectivity. That's the promise behind SpaceX's 2024 mission. SpaceX, synonymous with interstellar innovation, is breaking barriers with its latest project. A launch that redefines rural connectivity. The heart of this mission? Advanced satellites. Hovering in low Earth orbit, these satellites are connectivity champions. Traditional satellites can't offer this level of service, they're too far. SpaceX's satellites are closer, providing reliable, high-speed internet. No more struggle for rural areas. Online classes, telemedicine, e-commerce, now within everyone's reach. It's truly a game changer. In 2024, rural connectivity won't be a dream. With SpaceX, it'll be a reality. A breakthrough moment for all mankind.